All right, so just quick overview here. Z-brake arm, bracket, caliper, adjustment with yokes, all that little stuff there. There's your modified spring. It's actually on a modified spring. We have these made. And then last place, cotter goes right there through the yoke pin. Where the spacer goes. Bolts on the back of the key case. Pattern that it looks like. Fill plug recess hole. And then our rotor here. And it's our driveline bolt set. Rotor here, our driveline bolt center. Our general tool set here of everything you need. Okay, we're gonna start putting this on and get this thing rolling down the road. I know everybody's gonna ask this question because who doesn't love a first-gen 4Runner? But yes, we're installing this on my personal 87 straight axle 4Runner that I built over about the last 16 years in multiple configurations. This will be the fourth body that's been on it. It's had all kinds of motors and things. But this is the basic rig. At some point, we are going to go over this as a walkthrough because it's basically a showcase of every part we build. Some custom stuff like the front bumper, rock sliders, things like that. Okay, we're going to get rolling.